Observe manje Mbuya Fernanda idini yaqhubeka endayiphili segazini ankili lokho mhlele amanhlili rangwena rapela maripili ngatsalangi nandi Westla badi mavesa agcwele kuBhayibheli khutha mshimani ngeke ulungu ngalimali dala ngenza ngothando manje ngiyenzela imali vele yona iyafuneka and kumele ihlangane would have thought ukuthi game ngaphathwa yile shangana ram pam ngena kubo ngomrada sikhathi sami nokugabya sekavukile urada yes ya bava abasondele satha sikhathi bani no last wontwana isikhathi sami jikile ivili ngibreak ama record ngale deal ashike backville ngovuthe yami ngakubane inking vukile unjandini manje isikhathi sokukhanda ama mid awukhiphe le jean ngihase phansi ngibonga bakithi
Hey, all I'm tryna do is be a better man. Do the best I can and take a better stand. If it's on ukuphumelela, God will understand. Everybody wants to be a winner, yeah. Nkulunkulu and how my life turned out. They kept pulling me back, but then I climbed out. Manje ukuhlupheka kwami, it's the thing of the past. Everything is alright now, and yeah. Noma ngahamba, I'll be right back. Jimmy down, David that's like isukaw. Tamadrami nomkonti, sifuna imali. Tofuna usibalabala fike ku-45 noma ngahamba, I'll be right back. Jimmy down, David that's like isukaw. Tamadrami nomkonti, sifuna imali. Mobalabala usibala zobala fike ku-45.
Ay, shunwenga. Ay, bafana bami thina sayiqala fantuka sidinga ama-16 ngapha kabanye besibuka bebizomada F kodwa masingena bethula swatshonta nge-freestyle amafensi aswalutha babasalutha ngafika noshuni bawubhathula ngibagqoba ngekhaveni ngiyababhathula wena thula amapunchline adayise bomile ngiyabathula iminu number 1 noma ningeza ngathula namanje ngisesiqongweni futhi akekho ngangithula ngiphethe thula nebhithi lathula